got my pump out of the parts washer, and I can see part of the problem here is that that's all deformed. The plastic is like melted, and I'll never be able to screw anything into it. It's like the pump end is like that too. So whatever chemical I've had in there, it didn't like the plastic very well over time, and it's no longer round. The pump won't spin, so gotta get a new one. I mostly just use diesel in there, but sometimes there's some other stuff too. I don't use any kind of water-based stuff, but apparently over time. But that pump's been in there. How many years do you think that's been in there, Tyler?
10.
10 years? So, yeah. We got our money out of it. This is the Olight Secret 3, 4200 lumens, but one of the things I like about it, not only is it push to turn on and off, but you have a dial where you can adjust the intensity on it. That's pretty cool, and it's bright. It's 4200 lumens. Throws 250 meters. The Secret 3. Definitely one of my favorite ones. I really like that dial. Makes it easier than clicking, and you have more modes than just the 3. Pretty cool. Rechargeable. It's on sale right now. Okay, Tyler's hard at work changing airbags right now. This one's off and on already, and right now he's inside.
Probably showing through the hole in the side here.
So yeah, well, so the way the Prevost works, there's like a square carriage there for the axle, and there's an airbag here in the back, and then there's one up in the front there, way up high. You didn't have that one off yet?
I don't even have the airlines off yet.
It's not very easy to get to this one. They could have mounted it 90 degrees the other way and it would have made life a lot easier, but damn engineers, right? Here's all of our new airbags that we got from Luke at US Coach. Took a couple days to get them, not too bad. Anybody that's got this model of Prevost, you need to know the model number of the airbag there. He did have 2 that he brought with him. He wanted me to put them on there, but he thought they are new. They've never been used, but never been used and new are 2 totally different things, because manufacturing date was 2003. This one and this one here is also 2003, and one of them's not the right bag. That's not the right bag. That is the right bag. So, anyways, get my parts washer all taken apart here. Yeah, you can see how deformed everything was on the pump, and that's nasty, but we'll get it fixed up. Nice.
I'm trying to hand it to you.
Grace, I was coming to grab it. I was recording. I wanted to come see how nasty it was on the inside. I don't know if you can tell. It's all delaminating inside of there. I've inflated this bag to roll it out so I can show you how much it's coming apart. Pretty gnarly. Also from 2003. Here's another one we just took off. You can see the cords there, and that's like a 1/4 inch thick bag broken through on the outside. I don't know how thick the whole thing is, but sure don't look very good. So look how this bus lifts the tag. There's a pivot arm right there with a chain hooked to the tag axle, and there's a brake chamber so the brake chamber pushes it out, and then that lifts up the tag axle weight. That's pretty cool. This tag tire has a lot of crazy wear on it. Obviously some flat spotting from dragging and not having pressure on it. And then it's also all kind of coming apart here and one flat, just from dragging. Tag axles take a lot of abuse, the tires. That's why you want to always throw your used good ones from up front onto your tag. Look at the inside of this S-cam bushing. You can see where it's like smooth and then rough. Smooth. Still got some gouges and stuff in it. It's obviously also thinner here than over here. So hopefully that's what was causing us problems up there. This is the other one. You can see that weird wear pattern, scraping that's been going on in there. Okay, got that bushing installed. You grease it up, get the other one installed, and then I'll slide the S-cam in. The S-cam's in good shape. I don't see, there's some polishing on it, but you can't feel anything with a nail on it, so it looks pretty good. Okay. Everything seems to be working good there. It's retracting nicely. Brakes are applying when I pull the pry bar in there. I don't think it's going to catch anymore. I got to knock this in all the way. This isn't seated. But, oh, I lost the spring. All right, put the spring on. This airbag fitting is very hard to get. I have to use this double end crow's foot wrench. I can get on it with one way, and then I got to flip it over the other way. Just the smallest little turn on it. Flip it around the other way. At the beginning, it was like the tension on the line was dialing it backwards, so it was very hard. Keep recording. Did you stop? No. I saw your finger go to it. Very difficult here. You can't get anything in there. You can't get your fingers in there. Thank goodness for this wrench, man. It's pretty awesome. It's just about ready to come off. Can't be that much longer. It's only taken me a half hour to get this far. Pull that airline out. I gotta come around this side. Squeezing the air out of the airbag here. Keep going. Okay, I got it. As long as I keep my thumb over it, it stays compressed. Come on, airbag, cooperate. The diff plug magnet. The good news is it's all little fine shavings. There's no big chunks in there. filling through the axle shaft here, and I just took a rubber glove and cut the thumb out on it, and it snapped around there. It's real easy to do. It's gallon number 3 going in. Much easier than messing inside there. This is 7590 synthetic gear oil going in. Well, the Prevost is almost done. We're going to finish it up in the morning tomorrow. We fixed the turbo boost sensor. We got another oil pressure sending unit we're going to change on it. Just a couple other little things. We have been working on the apartment a lot. It's coming along nice. You can see we're getting things sheeted up on the outside. Tyvek's going to go on. Getting ready for the windows. That'll be the big, it'll really look nice once the windows and doors go in. But yeah, it's getting there. The framing is coming along nice, and we'll have more video tomorrow, hopefully.